In the thick dawn fog of Quang Tri, the thunderous roar of Soviet T-54 tank engines shattered the silence. The first wave of these iron dragons advanced relentlessly, flanked by North Vietnamese infantry brigades armed with AK-47 rifles and RPG-7 grenade launchers, their boots sinking into the mud-churned fields. South Vietnamese defenders, entrenched behind barbed wire fortifications, unleashed volleys of M72 Law anti-tank rockets, but the T-54's reinforced 100mm thick frontal armor deflected most impacts. One tank erupted in an orange fireball after a direct hit, yet another rumbled forward, its D-10T 100mm main gun obliterating southern machine gun nests with pinpoint accuracy. Meanwhile, northern infantrymen, cloaked in smoke and chaos, crawled through craters to breach enemy trenches, their bayonets glinting under sporadic artillery flares. Above the carnage, US AC-130 Spectre gunships circled like vengeful spectres, their side-firing 40mm Bofors and 105mm howitzers raining hellfire on armored columns below. UH-1 Huey helicopters swooped low to deliver reinforcements, but Soviet SA-2 guideline missiles streaked skyward from hidden launchers. Forcing pilots into evasive maneuvers, one chopper spiraled into the jungle, its rotors sheared by shrapnel. In the besieged city of An Loc, urban warfare reached a fever pitch. South Vietnamese paratroopers, perched on rooftops, sprayed M60 machine gun fire into alleys choked with rubble, while Viet Cong sappers detonated C4 charges beneath fortified positions, collapsing entire buildings onto defenders. Unleashed Operation Linebacker 2's fury. Waves of B-52 stratofortresses, flying at 40,000 feet, carpet-bombed northern supply routes with Mk-82 500-pound bombs, transforming the landscape into a lunar wasteland of craters. Yet, undeterred, the North Vietnamese launched another human wave assault. Thousands of soldiers, many armed only with Type 56 assault rifles, charged over the bodies of their comrades to exhaust southern ammunition reserves. The ground trembled under the weight of PT-76 amphibious tanks fording rivers, their 76mm guns shelling retreating forces. By dawn, the fog had lifted to reveal a harrowing tableau, smouldering T-54 husks, their treads mangled by M18 Claymore mines, medics dragging wounded through knee-deep mud, and the distant hum of F-4 Phantom jets returning to base, their ordnance spent.